In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the dashboard, business, accounting, payroll, projects, and contacts tabs. When you first open your workspace, the menu you see is your command center. Think of it as a map to everything you need for running your operation smoothly. We'll walk through each area so you know what it's for, when to use it, and a few best practices to keep things organized and stress-free. Start with the dashboard. This is your home base and the quickest way to check the health of your business at a glance. You'll typically see summaries like cash flow snapshots, outstanding invoices, upcoming bills, and key alerts. Use this space to spot what needs attention today. If you can customize the layout, place the most important widgets at the top, and set time ranges that match your reporting rhythm. Many dashboards also have quick shortcuts, so use them to jump straight into common tasks without hunting through menus. Next is business. This is where day-to-day operations live. Create and send invoices, approve quotes, record bills from suppliers, and track payments. A good habit here is to review unpaid invoices and overdue bills regularly so nothing slips through the cracks. If your system allows it, set up recurring invoices for repeat clients and use reminders to reduce chasing. Keeping this area up to date helps your dashboard stay accurate. Move on to accounting. This is the backbone of your books. You'll manage your chart of accounts, reconcile bank transactions, and review financial reports. Make reconciliation a routine so your numbers match your bank statements. Use reports like profit and loss and balance sheet to monitor performance, and consider locking completed periods to avoid accidental changes. Consistency here makes tax time and audits much easier. Now, payroll. This is where you handle employee pay runs, timesheets, deductions, and payroll filings. Double check pay dates, tax settings, and benefits before each run. Keep staff information current and restrict access to sensitive payroll data to protect privacy. If available, set calendar reminders for payroll deadlines to avoid last-minute rushes. Then, projects. Use this to track work by client or initiative, budget your time and costs, and measure profitability. Add tasks, log time, attach expenses, and review progress against the budget. When a project wraps, you can usually create invoices from the tracked time and costs, ensuring you bill accurately. Finally, contacts. This is your single source of truth for customers, suppliers, and contractors. Keep details tidy, merge duplicates, add notes, and tag contacts for easier filtering. Accurate contact records speed up invoicing, payments, and reporting. With these sections in mind, you can move confidently through your workspace, staying organized and focused.